The Turkish-built TB-2 and the Iran-built Shahed-136 significantly contributed to the destruction of the weapons used by the rival troops in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. The export sales of Turkish drones significantly increased due to their performance. It was previously reported that the Turkish company Baykar Technology had signed contracts with 24 nations for the Bayraktar Tb2 drone. The success of the Turkish drone exports is attributable to their excellent operational expertise. Qatar was Turkey's first drone customer, ordering Bayraktar Mini drones in 2012. Qatar made an additional order for 6 Bayraktar TB2 drones in 2018. Iranian drones used by the Russian forces are demonstrating their effectiveness in Ukraine. On October 19th, Russian kamikaze drones launched at power facilities resulted in the convening of an emergency conference by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy to prevent what he described as a breakdown of energy system. The drone is equipped with a light 90-pound bomb that is potent enough to demolish transformer yards, according to retired U.S. Gen. Frank McKenzie, who once commanded all U.S. forces in the Middle East. Overall, Iran's rise as a drone manufacturer might lead to a new era of drone warfare and elevate Iran's position in the world's defense sector, giving it a chance to compete with Turkey. However, the sanctions imposed by the United States and its allies may seriously impede this process. Meanwhile, Turkish-made drones have gained recognition for their ability to thwart Russian tank formations from advancing in the early phases of a conflict. This has also increased the demand for Turkish drones in the global market.